Beautiful day to be here in Miami.
Beautiful, good afternoon today too.
Right.
So we are here at the True World Seafood.
We got a nice treat to show everyone.
Yes.
Well, let me introduce to Miho. Hello, Miho. We have a really nice treat to show everyone because there's a lot of people ask, hey, can you use any kind of scallops for sushi? The answer is no. You cannot use any kind of scallop for sushi. Now, here we are. Can you show us this product, Miho?
Yes. This is from Japan, Hokkaido area. It's northern Japan. And then this is the one, like high-end restaurant, sushi chef like to use. It's very high quality. The taste very melting and nice. So,
And here in Japanese, you said that this means...
yeah, this is for raw consumption.
Yeah, for raw consumption.
Yeah.
So we hope this answers a lot of your questions. You cannot just go to your local supermarket and pick up scallops because they're not made for that and you don't know how they've been treated. These have been treated the way they're supposed to for sushi consumption. For raw consumption anyway. All right, Hiro, you ready? Let's go make something nice out of this. Hiro-san, we are back from True World.
Yes.
To show everyone what we have here. Yeah. So of course this is the Japanese Wagyu A5, and this is $128 a pound. This is about half the portion, maybe a little bit more than half the portion. And these scallops from Japan. Hiro, tell us what it says on the front.
生食用, which means you can eat by raw.
Okay.
ホタテ、貝柱, the scallops. This one.
Okay, the scallops, right. And this was about $36 a pound. This box here holds about just over 2 pounds. And $36 a pound, this box is over $75. Very expensive, but look at these huge scallops. Now, some of you have commented before, can you eat scallops raw? Not really, unless they're farmed for that reason, which you can get from Japan all the time. But I can't wait to try this, Hiro. Really. Let's go through some of the other ingredients.
Yes. I'm gonna use of course, these scallops and the Wagyu. And I have here the cornstarch and ponzu. I'm gonna make in sauce. And then the caviar. And I'm gonna, for decoration, I'm gonna use edible flowers. I'm gonna use sea salt. And here's a garlic butter. And I'm gonna use a black pepper. And today, actually, this is what I'm gonna use.
Okay. So if you guys want to know how to make delicious whipped garlic butter with a little soy sauce, check back in the previous video here.
Yes.
You guys are gonna love it. Okay, here, what is the first step?
First step, I'm gonna start make a sauce.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, then this is going to be making cooling down. Okay, first I'm gonna put a little bit water out. Okay, good. salt and pepper. Okay, black pepper. Okay, good. Okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
So good, right?
Oh man.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna keep this one here, like that. Okay. Okay. Just a little bit of avocado oil for beginning. Then the scallops. Don't cook it too much. Overcook is always no good. Turn over, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic butter. Okay, that's good.
Oh, it smells so good.
Very, very nice. Very nice. Seaweed is just a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna cut them a little bit smaller. It's good. And today I'm gonna use black sesame seeds. Okay, like that. And flip over. The inside, very simple. Only beef today. It's a little bit too much greasy, so I'm gonna put the paper towel quick. Beautiful, like this. And load it up. Okay, nice. Okay, cut into the 8 piece. Cut off the edge. Okay, great. Okay, next one. I'm gonna put the sauce in the middle. Okay, good. The next one, I'm gonna put the scallops on it. Take off a little bit water out. On the top. Nice. Okay, this is a Wagyu and scallops roll.
What is surf and turf roll, Hiro? Probably the most expensive surf and turf that I've seen. Beautiful scallops, beautiful Wagyu beef. I can't wait to try this, Hiro. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us, how much would you pay for this? We always ask you that question because this is so decadent, so delicious, so rich in flavor, and it wasn't cheap. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And Hiro-san, we are here for the
Yes.
tasting. Again, another
Another lucky day.
lucky meal.
こんにちは。どうもありがとう。
Okay, Wadanami and Hiro-san,
Yes.
enjoy.
Okay.
That's right.
Try. First, I'm not gonna put anything. It's already sauce on it, so.
It's a pretty good size roll, huh?
Beef is melting.
I can imagine the beef. Wadanami, enjoy. Which one are you going to go for?
ソイソースで食べても
どうぞ、もういいですよ。
いや、そのままで食べます。So beautiful. I don't wanna eat it because so beautiful.
Okay, put it on my side.
So gorgeous.
But yeah, enjoy.
いただきます。りょう先生いただきます。最高ですね。
Psycho, no? That means delicious in Japanese. All right. Here we go. A little soy sauce and a little wasabi here. Mm. Mm. I taste the scallops right away. So delicious. The beef comes after for me because it's a little bit lighter in flavor, but the scallops are so delicious. Seared just perfectly. Wow. And like Hiro said, it just melts in your mouth. These are the other three that Hiro put on the side just for picture-wise. We put 5 together here. But Hiro-san, so good.
No.
Another delicious meal. Thank you for being here, Watanami.
どうもありがとうございました。
Hiro-san.
See you next time.
Yep.